Hi guys, my name is Maggie and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today is a beautiful warm day outside, which means that Gabe and I will spend most of it outdoors. So for dinner, I want something quick and easy, which is why shrimp scampi is the way to go. It's easy enough to whip up in no time, yet fancy enough to serve on a special occasion. So let's get started.
To get started, we're going to go ahead and mince up 4 garlic cloves. Once we get those nice and small, we're going to go ahead and just set those to the side. And then we're going to go ahead and cut up a shallot. I just do them in little rings like this, but I cut them quite thinly. If you can't find a shallot or you don't want to buy one, just go ahead and use an onion. I just like the shallot for this because it is a little bit milder than an onion. And then we're going to prep 1 lemon, which we'll use later. You're going to cut up about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Some will go into the actual sauce and then some will leave as just kind of a topping for our pasta. Into a skillet with high sides, you'll add in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter along with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let that heat up over medium-high heat, and then we're going to go ahead and add in the shallot. Once the shallot has softened, then we can go ahead and add in the garlic, and you're going to cook that for about 60 to 90 seconds or until it's fragrant. Into that skillet, we're now going to add in our shrimp. This is shrimp scampi after all. And you're going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, depending on how big they are. That will vary in your cooking time. Once you have flipped all the shrimp and they're cooking on the opposite side, you're going to go ahead and add in 1/3 cup of dry white wine. Just make sure it's dry white wine and not like fruity. You don't want that in your dish, along with your lemon juice from the lemon that we sliced. Then we're going to go ahead and season with some salt and pepper. And to finish off the seasoning, we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and about 3/4 of the parsley that we chopped earlier. And then we'll just reserve the rest for kind of our top. You're going to let the sauce cook for about 3 to 4 minutes just to get all those juices flowing, and then you're going to go ahead and add in 1 pound of angel hair pasta that you cooked already in really salty water. And then we finish off with 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan. So once that's all set, you can go ahead and plate and enjoy.